joy of the beautiful game that is football. We are truly grateful for your active presence and we look forward to sharing with you the excitement, passion and memorable moments that this event promises. Thank you for honoring us with your presence and welcome once again to the 6th edition of Studio Guwahati Champions Trophy. This is the 6th edition of Studio Guwahati Champions Trophy. So I will take one time, I request our Honorable Siri sir to proceed to the team selection and inaugurate the game. Thank you. Thank you. So I will referee just give it one. Let us reset this and inaugurate the football. Suranjit, this time we have special judge for watching the entire events to find the best players out of both the teams. So we have with us today Subedar Sanjay Singh Gosai and Mr. Abhishek to judge the
बेस हॉस्पिटल गुवाहाटी के फुटबॉल ग्राउंड में आज गुवाहाटी डीएडी गुवाहाटी और डीएडी शिलोंग का मैच था। सो मैच ख़त्म हो चुका है और शिलोंग की टीम जो है 2 गोल ज़्यादा करके जीत चुकी है। इसका परिणाम इस तरह था, गुवाहाटी 3 और शिलोंग 5। मतलब गुवाहाटी ने 3 गोल किए, शिलोंग की टीम ने 5 गोल की वजह से डिग्निटरीज बैठे हैं। अभी प्राइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सेरेमनी स्टार्ट होगा, देख सकते हैं। शिलोंग की टीम ने बहुत ही अच्छा प्रदर्शन किया, हालांकि गुवाहाटी की टीम ने भी किया, बट समहाउ गुवाहाटी की टीम 2 गोल से पीछे रह गई। दर्शक हैं इधर।
teamwork and intelligence will be the great team effort that is good for ball from Team Shillong.
और एक गोल करने से बस बराबर हो जाएगा।
Skill Development Vikram Datta sir, Assistant Controller Abhijit Chakrabarti sir, and Lieutenant Colonel Nitin Sagar Taneja sir. Please, I request you to proceed to the field. Esteemed guest players and friends, it gives us immense pleasure to welcome you to the closing ceremony of the 6th edition of CDA Guwahati Champions Trophy. Over the past 90 minutes, we have witnessed extraordinary talents, unbreakable team spirit, and unforgettable moments on the field. Today, we come together to celebrate these achievements and honor the champion of this prestigious tournament. So, I'd like to request our Honorable CD Ambassador sir to felicitate the referee and the linesmen and the commentator. And the linesman, lines referee, Havaldar. I would like to request now Havaldar Suranjit to come forward and request our senior sir to felicitate. Who is actually a national player in the year 1997. Havaldar Gosai is a national player who played Team India 1997. Who remains judge for today's match, and I would like to, as a token of love and appreciation. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Now, the time to give away the prizes that actually means for this tournament. I would like to request our Abhijit Chakrabarti sir, Assistant Controller, to give away the prize for the best player of the team. The best is scored 3 goals from Team Shillong, 43 minutes, 55 minutes, and at the last, that is 70 minutes, give him a round of applause. He's the best player from the main team. We can say under 40. That's a great one. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, Vijay, sir. Now, I would like to request Lieutenant Colonel Taneja, sir. That's a great moment. LC has declared that I will back this trophy, and he did it by scoring 2 goals, 32 minutes, and 78 minutes. Now the main moment has come to
share the shield. But actually, that moment has not come. We're not sharing anything directly. So first, I would like to announce the runners-up shield that everybody knows. Please give the round of applause for the team Guwahati. And I would like to request team Shillong, the Guwahati captain, please come forward. And I would like to request Pritam Datta sir, director. So give away the runners trophy, please. It's a great moment for us because I would like to call the captain Guwahati to speak, a few words.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Honorable CDSL, and we have business CDSL and assistant controller, and officers and staff of CDA Guwahati. We, the DAD Guwahati FC, are thankful to the CDA Guwahati office for hosting this event. We are very proud, and we tried our level best to win the match. But due to, I should say that we have many ace players. Most of them are 40 above. So we tried very hard, but we could not last till the 19 minutes. Well, sorry for that. But we give our all. We don't leave outside. All our energy, we leave it in the field. That's what we can do for today. And thanks to my teammate for giving, and we rise as one. And this trophy is, though it is runners-up trophy, we earn. It's not just given. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Team Guwahati, actually. And one thing he has missed something that he said, all the players are 40. No, this is not the right answer. The right answer is Shillong team played well. That is the only thing. Anyway, before I announce the trophy, and I would like to request CDSR also, but before that, please team captain Shillong, please come forward and say a few words. What is your technique, target, motto?
Good afternoon, everyone. Greetings, CDSR, and then Lieutenant Colonel, sir, and especially CDSR for gracing us on this beautiful occasion, and Lieutenant Colonel, sir, for agreeing to this beautiful ground for our occasion. So I'm very thankful for all those things. So I would like everyone, officers, senior colleagues, and audience who are present today to witness the grand occasion and make this occasion a success. So thank you all once again. So first of all, big shout out to Guwahati team because it was an big pleasure. Just like Guwahati captain is pointing out that we have, maybe we have a few younger players, but Team Guwahati has the experience and we have the energy. So overall, it was a match of equals. Thank you for giving us an opportunity. Thank you. And lastly, I would like to congratulate each and every one of my team for giving Thank you, sir. That's all.
Thank you so much. Now I'd like to request our CDSR to please give them the medals for the runners-up teams. Well played. Well played. Michael sir, थोड़े कम बोलते थे, नहीं तो टीम गुवाहाटी ले लो। That's a great, good game, good sportsmanship, teamwork. Yeah, great. Healthy. That's a great one. Now I would like to request Team Shillong to take the winner's trophy. बहुत बढ़िया teamwork from Shillong team. Indeed, the game was seen today. Shillong, Machuk me. November, the next turn in Shillong only. Now you're okay, I believe. Stomach is okay, first class. Thank you so much, thank you so much. Now, the time has come to lift the trophy. So I request Honorable CDS sir to please. That's a great one. Thank you so much. Great going. So we had come to the end of this closing ceremony. So thank you so much to everyone who have witnessed this game today. I would like to thank all of you who has made this game successful. And thanks goes to everyone who indeed present here and help us to organize this game, especially to 151 Base Hospital. And of course, we cannot forget the support of CDSR who always encourage games. And in fact, I would have not come today. It is CDSR who has inspired me. Aa jao game mein. So that's thanks to both everyone. And now, I want to request all of you, please be ready. And the lunch is organized at the officers' mess for all the officers and for all other spectators and players in the Sainik house. The CDSR wants to say something? Definitely.
Before we proceed for lunch, I would like to thank both our teams here for giving us such a thrilling match, and the medals and the trophies that has been distributed. The match has shown that it is truly earned. So big round of applause for both of you. I would like to thank our spectators here who have come from Shillong, from Guwahati. I would also like to thank my very close friend Pritam, who is now having additional charge of director IIE. He was here, so he had spared his time to be with us today. Thank you, Pritam. And also, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude and thanks to 151 Base Hospital for all the logistic facilities and everything. Thank you all. I'm looking forward to see you all again in November. Yes, sir. In Shillong. Yes, sir. Thank you.
So all I request to proceed.